Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, 2 pasture-raised eggs, beauties. That is Swiss cheese. That is a nice rustic bread, butter. Look at this, some mustard. But here's the star of the show. That's Central Groceries olive salad. That's the home of the original Muffuletta. Mike Foster here. Check it out. I got a video that's already out about how to make a classic Muffuletta. People pronounce it Muffuletta. You say potato, I say potato, I say delicious. Well, I'm using that same olive salad and making a killer fried egg, Swiss, and olive salad sandwich. Nothing to it but to do it. We got to get this egg going. Meet you at the stove. All right, this is a pan on set to medium. A little butter down. That's the start. All right. Let's get those eggs down. There's one baby. Beauty. There's the other one. All right, let those cook for a minute and a half, couple minutes, and then we'll flip them and get this baby going. While these cook, a little black pepper, fresh cracked. That's it. Okay, these guys are ready for a flip. Just like that. Perfect. Now put this all the way to low. Cover them with cheese. All right. And you want that cheese to melt. And when this cheese is melted, I'll meet you at the counter, put this baby together. All right. Freshly toasted. Just a little butter. Next, a little mustard, just a little, because the star of the show is this guy. These olive salad. Put a little on both sides. That's how this guy rolls. This is killer. What does it say in the title? It says killer, doesn't it? That one's too big. I guess we gotta eat it. All right. Spread that around. Let it soak in. Here are those 2 perfect eggs. There's uno. And then here's his twin sister, dos. Are you guys ready for the flipperoo? I am. There's the flipperoo. That was fast. Center. Let's slice it. Here's the sliceroo. Oh my goodness. Things are flying all over the place. And there's the reveal. Let's get a good looking close-up. There's the close-up of the fried egg, Swiss cheese, and olive salad sandwich. Big bite coming up. Can't wait. There it is again. I mean, I can't wait for a big bite of this. I'm looking for, here it is. Look at this. The olives are so tangy and savory. But so is that egg. Look at that beautiful yolk. Don't drip. I have to hide that from my wife. Mustard tangy. Swiss. Eggs are really little creamy. And that olive mess. Call it a mess. It's a salad. It's the original folks that make the New Orleans famous sandwich. The Muffuletta. The Muffuletta. With a fried egg, Foster style. This one's killer diller. Check it out. Check out that classic Muffuletta sandwich. And for more videos like this, check out my YouTube channel. Live Life 365. Until next time, peace. Sweet Babu.
Live life 365.
You got to check out the classic Muffuletta sandwich that's already out there. It'll be attached to this video, so check it out. But this is a fried egg specialty. So what a hoo-hoo. I got a video coming out that's already out. Make sure you have enough. That's what she said. We do. Not that much. That's the ice machine making all that noise in the background. Good timing machine. More? Okay. This is all tangy and savory. Nothing can be said except this. Look how greasy this is. Not greasy, oily. Oily! It's very oily. Oil's good for you. Baba.